Howdy folks, we got several things to do today, this being one, this being another. Look at all this. I hate that the camera has those lines. Look at all this water damage. We're trying to figure out where the heck it's coming from. It's all right here. This unit was cleaned yesterday, so I'm thinking that might just be from them mopping. But the baseboards right here, you can't really see it on the camera, but those are all discolored a little bit. This is a vacant unit. The tenants are moving in a couple of days. The kitchen sink, the disposal's clogged. I think I just need the little Allen key, turn it a few times and that'll fix it. And then we're doing another little job here. Two little jobs. We are, yikes. This one's clogged good. Jeez. Unit 6, which is above this unit, we're going to be fixing their screens. And then we installed a water heater in the back. And I don't know who keeps coming over here, but someone keeps going in there and turning the water heater off because there's an on-off switch because it's a commercial water heater. And one of the tenants here just keeps having to turn it back on. So we're gonna put a lock on the door. Okay, let's do this. There you go. Rinse that down. I'm really concerned about all this water. Look at that. What I think might be happening is on the exterior, people are, I don't know, washing their cars or something, and well, I don't know. I might have to call Pinpoint leak detection because I know for a fact that all the water lines are not in the slab. So, I don't know. Okay, let's go do the, actually let me pull this out, see if there's anything worth showing you. Nothing too major. Just a little hair clog. I might send it down one more time. Second issue. This side drains, no problem. It's just the disposal. Backs up. I think if I spin this a couple of times, yeah, that's what's gonna do it. That's likely going to fix it because this side, the right side is not backed up, so that tells me it's not in the P-trap. It's in this. I have to replace this. we go. Took a little elbow grease. We got it now. Alright. This is what I pulled out of the friggin' disposal. It's a rubber band. I don't know what that is. There's still more stuff in here. Maybe that was it. Oh, there, I feel that. What is that? I don't know. All right, on to the next. Okay, this is the next thing. Someone keeps coming in here and just shutting this off. What the heck is this? Who put that on there? All I can say is LA is a very weird place and weird things happen. So what I'm going to do is remove this. There's no keys for this. Nobody has keys for that. Oh, that's nice. So I'm just going to put a new deadbolt on here and then give the key to the deadbolt to the guy that continues to turn this back on when whoever keeps turning this off turns it off. So it's just a matter of doing this right here. Pretty simple. Take that out. And then just take that out. And we'll go to the old depot and get us a new deadbolt. There you go. So the girl that lives in this unit, that's her kitchen, and then those are her 2 bedrooms. Was complaining that bugs are getting in, and she would be right. I think these are okay. It's actually her kitchen. Looks like the bedrooms are fine, but the kitchen is pretty bad. So to get these out, you just have this little rubber bead thing you got to pull out, and then these will come out. And Home Depot sells this tool. It kind of looks like a pizza cutter. It's real small though, and you just kind of you'll see. I'll show you. This one's kind of getting crusty. Yeah, that one's ripped. Totally ripped. So here's a good example. You have this little bead that holds the screen in place. And you just pull that out, and then the screen comes right out. All right, we'll replace that one, and then we'll just rescreen that one. So that one, rescreen that, and then that was it, right? All right, we got all the material. We got this little tool for pressing the spline into this. So we got that. And we have the spline. It's just rubber. It's all it is. And then you got the little corner pieces. You just put them into that right there. You just cut this with a bandsaw or whatever. Then we also got a little kit just in case we need it that basically comes with that stuff. So, all right. There you go. New screen. Now let's put her in. Come on, guy. Come on, fella. There you go. There you go. All right. Those two are in. As we were doing these, we noticed that this screen or window didn't even have a screen, so we built that one.